Algebraic fractions. The following 4 rules are used to work out the values of fractions. The first one is with addition. Addition is, suppose if it is a by b plus c by d. In order to add these two fractions, we need to take the LCM of it. Then BD will be the LCM. So now this B has to made as BD. So multiply this by D. So numerator also you multiply by D. So it comes AD. Here you need to multiply by B. So numerator also we multiply by B. So it comes as CB or BC. Or one easy way is multiply the denominators and then cross multiply for the numerator so that it will be easier for you to remember. Then for subtraction, in the same way, A over B minus C over D. Same as addition, only you just multiply the denominators and then this A multiply with the D, so you get it as AD minus BC. Only the difference is here there is an addition, here there is a subtraction. Then the next one is for multiplication. If we use the same alphabets, A by B multiplied by C by D. Here you don't take the LCM. Only for addition and subtraction we take the LCM. Here you multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. If there is something in common, then we cancel the numerator and the denominator, maybe sideways or straight. You cannot cancel numerators, you cannot cancel denominators. So when we multiply, it is AC divided by BD. Then the last one is division. When it is division, suppose if you have this as divided by C by D, then we write the first thing as it is and then we write the reciprocal of the second fraction, D over C. So our answer will be AD over BC. Now let us see these with the help of few examples. All the questions we need to simplify. The first question, x over 4 plus 2x over 5. So we need to multiply. 4 5s are 20. Then this multiply with this multiply with this. Or remember it as you are multiplying by 5 in the denominator and numerator over here. Here you are multiplying by 4 in the numerator and denominator. Simple way is just remember like cross multiplication. 5x plus 8x. So it will be 13x over 20. If there was something common, then we can simplify it over here. Then the second one, 3 over 4x minus 2 over 3x. That will be equal to, now multiply the denominators. 3 4s are 12. X into x is x square. Then multiply it over here, 9x. This way multiplied, minus 8x. So it will be equal to x over 12x squared. So 1x and 1x will get cancelled. So it will be 1 over 12x. Now here 7 times 2 is 14. This 2 multiply with this side, 7 multiply it over here. So 2 into 2x plus 1 minus 7 into x plus 2. So when we simplify this, multiply it inside. So it is 4x plus 2 minus 7x minus 14 over 14. So it will be equal to 4x minus 7x is minus 3x. Then 2 minus 14 is minus 12 over 14. Now in these two, when you take 3 is common and negative 3 is common. So x minus 4 over 14. Suppose if this was a 12, then this 3 and 12 can be simplified and then we can write our answer. But now there is no common factor between 3 and 14. We are not simplifying it. Now the fifth one, 3 over x minus 2 minus 4 over x plus 1. The same way the denominator is x minus 2 into x plus 1. 3 into x plus 1. There is a negative sign, so write the negative sign. Minus 4 into x minus 2. So when we multiply, it is 3x plus 3 minus 4x plus 8 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 1. So 3x minus 4x is minus x. Then 3 plus 8 is plus 11 over x minus 2, x plus 1. Now the sixth question, 4y squared by 9x multiplied by 3x squared by 2y. Now it is in multiplication. I'll write it again because when we simplify, it makes it more confusing. Into 3x squared divided by 2y. So 1y and 1y I can cancel. Then 1x and 1x can be cancelled. 3 3's are 9 and 3 1's are 3. Then this 4 2 times and this 1. So the left out numbers are 2y here and x is there. So 2xy divided by this is 3, no x is there, no y is also there. 2xy divided by 3. In seventh question, 1 over x multiplied by x minus 2 over 5. Here there is nothing common between the numerator and the denominator. Just remember that you cannot cancel this x with this x because this x has to be subtracted by 2. But here it is just an x. So the answer for this will be x minus 2 over 5x. Now it is in division. So first step is you have to write the second fraction as reciprocal and change this into multiplication. So x minus 3 over 15 multiplied by 5 by 2x minus 6. Now in 2x minus 6, 2 is common, so we can remove that outside. So x minus 3 by 15 into 5 over 2 is common, remove that. So x minus 3. So this x minus 3 can be cancelled. 3 5's and 3 1's. So it will be 1 over 6. Now the ninth question. X minus 2 over 2 divided by x minus 3 over 4. So x minus 2 over 2 multiplied by 4 over x minus 3. We cannot cancel it over here, only this can be cancelled. So 2 into x minus 2 over x minus 3. Now the 10th one, x square minus 9 over 10 multiplied by 5 over x minus 3. This is of the form x square minus 3 square. So we can write it as x plus 3, x minus 3 over 10. This is of the form a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, multiplied by 5 by x minus 3. So this x minus 3 and x minus 3, 2 and 1 time. So it will be x plus 3 over 2 will be the answer. Now the 11th question. X square plus x minus 6 divided by x square plus 2x minus 3. Now for the numerator, the product is minus 6, sum equal to 1. So the factors will be 3 and minus 2. So it will be x plus 3, x minus 2. Then here in the denominator, the product has to be minus 3, sum has to be 2. So it will be 3 and minus 1. So it will be x plus 3 and x minus 1. So this x plus 3 and x plus 3 will get cancelled. The answer will be x minus 2 over x minus 1. Now for the numerator, 3x is common. So we can take 3x outside. So x minus 3. Now for the denominator, x squared, x and a number. So you have to split the middle term. That is, the product has to be 3. The sum has to be minus 4. So it will be minus 3 minus 1. So it will be, you can write it as x minus 3 and x minus 1. So x minus 3 gets cancelled. So 3x over x minus 1. Then the 13th one, 3x squared plus 15x over x square minus 25. So this can be written as 3x is common. So it is x plus 5. This again x square minus 5 square. So you can write it as x plus 5 and x minus 5. So plus 5 and this x plus 5 will get cancelled. So it is 3x over x minus 5. Then the 14th sum, 4x square minus 25 over 8x square minus 22x plus 5. Now let us separately write the numerator and the denominator. Numerator is 4x square minus 25. This can be written as 2x the whole square minus 5 square. So a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus B. Now for this denominator, when you do 8x square minus 22x plus 5, that is, the product is 8 times 5 is 40. 8 and 5 you multiply, it is 40. The middle term is the sum. The sum is minus 22. So now minus 20 and minus 2. When you multiply, it is 40. When you add, it is minus 22. So we can split the middle term and write 8x square minus 20x minus 2x plus 5. In these two, 4x is common. So it will be 2x minus 5. So here also it is 2x minus 5. Now when we compare, we need to multiply by minus 1. So minus 1 into 2x is minus 2x. Minus 1 into minus 5 is plus 5. So it will be equal to 2x minus 5 into 4x minus 1. Now we'll just substitute in our question 25 over 8x square minus 22x plus 5. Our numerator we have simplified and we have got it as 2x plus 5 and 2x minus 5. And our denominator we have got it as 2x minus 5 into 4x minus 1. So 2x minus 5 gets cancelled. So our answer is 2x plus 5 over 4x minus 1. Now the last question. 4x square plus x minus 3 over 4x square minus 7x plus 3. Now we'll separately do the numerator and the denominator, then we'll replace it over here. 4x square plus x minus 3. For this, when you take, the product has to be 4 multiplied by minus 3 is product is 12 and the sum has to be 1. So our factors are 4 and minus 3. Then only you'll get it as minus 12. When you add them, it is 1. So it is 4x square and then that 4x minus 3x minus 3. See, 4x minus 3x is x. This middle term we have split and written over here. So it is 4x is common. So x plus 1. So write this as x plus 1 over here. So it is a minus 3. So x plus 1 is common. 4x minus 3. Now let us do the denominator. That is 4x square minus 7x plus 3. So when you do, the product has to be 12 and the sum has to be minus 7. So it is minus 4 and minus 3. Then only when you multiply, you get a positive 12. When you add, you get a minus 7. So it is 4x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 3. So again in this 4x is common. So x minus 1, write it over here. Multiply with minus 3. So it is x minus 1 into 4x minus 3. Now we'll go back to our question. 4x square plus x minus 3 over 4x square minus 7x plus 3. So numerator is x plus 1 into 4x minus 3. The denominator is x minus 1 into 4x minus 3. We have got the numerator over here and the denominator. So 4x minus 3 gets cancelled. So our final answer is x plus 1 over x minus 1. Thank you.